Good morning. I am Professor Shipra Verma from Science College, Raipur. Today in this video lecture, I am going to explain storage and transportation of iron in higher animals by ferritin and transferrin. This is the part of bioinorganic chemistry of MSc 4th semester. Excess iron which is present in our body, it is stored in non-toxic form in ferritin. Ferritin is a protein. It is present in various organs in our body like liver, spleen, bone marrow. It also occurs in human placenta where it releases iron during the development of fetus. The structure of ferritin consists of three parts. The center portion is iron core. Here you can see in this figure, the center portion is iron core, which is surrounded by a protein sheet or protein coat, which is called apoferritin. And between these two, there is an interface between iron and protein part. The iron which is present in core, it is in the form of hydrated iron oxide, that is Fe2O3 with n number of water molecule and various amounts of phosphate. This is also called biomineralization because the composition of Fe2O3 H2OX is just like rust. It is called biomineralization because minerals is formed in biomolecule inside the body with simple substances. Other examples are formation of teeth, bone, skeleton system, shell, etc. The apoferritin, or you can say protein, it actually consists of 24 subunits. Here you can see this figure, 24 subunits of polypeptide chain. The polypeptide chain coiled as such that it gives a cylindrical structure. The two end of cylindrical structure is not identical. The one part which is denoted by N, it is polar end, and other part it is represented by E, it is non-polar end, because the structure is different in polypeptide chain. When all these 24 polypeptide unit combines, it forms a hollow spherical figure. In this hollow spherical figure, iron core is there. At the center of the hollow protein chain, iron is present in basic ferric oxide form. The one thing which is very interesting, that when 24 subunits combine, at 8 places, 3 N sides they meet and form polar channel, from where iron it enters inside the protein chain and it exits in intracellular fluid. So there are total 8 polar channel in one molecule. Similarly, there are 6 points where 4E site meets and form 6 non-polar channel. Iron, it is present in +3 oxidation state and it is in octahedral shape. But it is in sheet-like structure where plenty of oxygen is present in matrix form and iron is distributed haphazardly in matrix. Sometimes ferrous iron is also there, but it is oxidized by oxygen or protein chain. The iron 3, you know that iron 3 is insoluble in water, but it is soluble in biological fluid with the help of this protein part. whenever and wherever iron is required, ferritin gives iron, it releases iron to intracellular fluid, where transferrin, it is another protein which brings this iron, and it takes this iron to that site where iron is required for biosynthesis of iron containing compound like hemoglobin, myoglobin, enzymes, cytochromes, etc. And when excess iron is there in our body, it is stored for a long time and it avoids the detoxification of excess iron. So this is all about ferritin molecule. Next lecture I will explain transferrin. Thank you.